Okay, you may have seen the short video that I did recently on the goat's cheese and beetroot salad, and here's how I compile it. It's not really cooking, but it's a quick snack and it's tasty. So here we go. First of all, whatever lettuce you have lying around, doesn't have to be anything particular. Just an ideal quick snack, really. And I've got some spinach, so we'll pop some of that on. Okay. As I say, you can really just put whatever you've got in your fridge to good use. The tomatoes are all finished in the garden now, so we're back down to buying from the supermarket. I prefer the small ones for salads. But that's just personal preference. Okay. Now I had some avocados, which I love. So just half an avocado. Scattered. Some spring onions. And one escaped. Now, what I like to do at this stage is put some salad dressing on. It's just a French style dressing. I mean, you could make your own, but as I say, this is just a quick evening supper, I suppose I'd call it. Now, you can do this either with fresh beetroot, or I actually like the extra dimension that you get from the vinegar, but there's again personal preference really. And finally, well, it's not finally, because there's one little thing I add after this, but it's some goat's cheese. I do love goat's cheese. And then just for a little bit of crunch, because as I say, I like different textures, I put a few pumpkin seeds on. You could put some walnuts, as I say, whatever you've got to hand really, but there we have it. The goat's cheese and beetroot salad. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.